In this video, I'm going to show you the Titan XQ400 AC Puls welding machine and the advantages you will have with the AC Puls welding process. The Titan XQ400 AC Puls contains all known DC welding processes as well as an AC Puls welding process. With the AC Puls welding process, you can weld aluminum seams with an amazing quality. Before I'm going to show you the advantages and applications of the AC Puls welding process, I would like to introduce you the Titan XQ400 AC Puls, and then I want to show you what happens inside the AC Puls welding process. Compared to the usual Titan XQ Puls, the 400 AC is equipped with a further developed RCC module that makes it possible to weld alternating currents. The AC technology is only available in the 400 amp class and requires a special wire feeder and a welding torch prepared for aluminum. My recommendation for this machine is the PM551 welding torch equipped X-Works for aluminum welding. Now I want to show you the AC Puls technology compared to the standard DC Puls technology. When using the conventional DC Puls, a droplet is formed on the wire electrode, which is constricted in the pulse phase, removed and then passes into the weld pool. The wire has positive polarity the whole time. When you work with the AC Puls technology, the polarity changes plus to minus. That means the arc burns in the direction of the wire. That causes that oxide on the wire surface will be burned immediately. Especially for aluminum-magnesium wires, this helps to weld clean seams without any rework and reduces welding, fumes and emissions. The heat input will also be controlled and allows to weld thin plates without burn-through and makes it easier to bridge gaps. In the following sample weld, you can see 1.5 mm thin plates welded with RLMG 4.5 wire in diameter 1.2 and argon shielding gas in the grade 4.6. As you can see, the arc is really stable. The AC Puls process gives the welder the possibility to weld faster and also more easy due to a great view into the melting pool. The weld seam shown has not been reworked or cleaned. The seam looks like thick welding seam. With the combination of AC Puls and position weld, it is easy to weld special positions like vertical up or overhead in a great quality without weaving with the torch. It is also perfectly suitable for bridging air gaps. The AC technology is not only great for manual welding. In automated welding applications too, you can benefit from the high arc stability and the high arc quality.